Good morning, students. I am Manikant Mishra, Modern English School, New Area. So far we have discussed about the existence of electron and proton. This was confirmed by, as we have already discussed, these fundamental particles are present in an atom. And this was proved by the discharge tube experiment done by J.J. Thomson and E. Goldstein. The next curiosity was where these fundamental particles are present in an atom. After coming to an end, yes, really these fundamental particles are present in an atom. The next curiosity was where these fundamental particles are present in an atom, how they are arranged in an atom. So the arrangement of these fundamental particles in an atom is nothing but it is called structure of atom. So the scientists were curious about this, how they are arranged in an atom, how these two fundamental particles, electron and proton, are present in an atom. So as I said, the arrangement of these fundamental particles, arrangement of electron and proton in an atom is nothing but it is called structure of atom. That's why this lesson has titled structure of atom. So in this regard, first model proposed by J.J. Thomson, like when your father, mother buy the land, when the land has already purchased, the next thing comes in our mind, how our house will be in this field, in this land. So the different views, your mother says no, this kinds of 3 room will be, 1 kitchen will be, drawing room will be like this. Your father says no, this will be. You also share your opinion. No, house will be like first room will be this like this, and there will be the passage, there will be a shed, and all about all these. The different views. So similarly, regarding the arrangement of these fundamental particles in an atom, so the different scientists have shared their views. So as I said, the first model proposed by J.J. Thomson. So what, according to J.J. Thomson's, the model of an atom proposed by J.J. Thomson. So according to J.J. Thomson, he said the atom is a positively charged sphere. What J.J. Thomson said? Atom is a positively charged sphere in which electrons are embedded into it. Atom is a positively charged sphere in which electrons are embedded into it. He compared the model of an atom like a watermelon. As you see that when you cut the watermelon, inside you see there is a reddish part, and in between there is a black seeds. So J.J. Thomson said this reddish part is a positively charged part. Reddish part is a positively charged part, and the black seeds he compared with the electron. So as I said, this according to J.J. Thomson, he said atom is a positively charged sphere and the electrons are embedded into it. And he compared his model of an atom with watermelon. So as in the watermelon, if you cut it horizontally or vertically, no matter. You see the inside the watermelon there is a reddish part and the black seeds are in between. So according to J.J. Thomson, the reddish part is positively charged and the black seeds are electron. Not only he compared with the watermelon, he also compared with the Christmas cake. You see that in the Christmas cake also that the raisins are spread, the cakes and the raisin. The raisin is compared with the electron and the cake part is compared with the positively charged part. He also compared with the apple. In apple, yellowish part is a positively charged part and the electrons are, these seeds are there, so that seeds are electron. So apple pie pudding model. So he compared with the different object of his model of an atom. So here you see this shaded part is a positively charged part. And this dots are, black dots are there, this represents electron, and he said that total positive charge is balanced by negative charge, and whole mass of an atom is evenly spread. The two of the important information he draws from his model. He said that total positive charge is balanced by total negative charge. The second, all the mass of an atom is evenly spread. All the mass of an atom is evenly spread. This is what this J.J. Thomson's model of an atom. But this model could not explain some of the fundamental properties of an atom, while the experiment done by another scientist. This model, J.J. Thomson's model, could not explain some of the fundamental properties of an atom that while the experiment was performed by the another scientist. The another scientist was none other than Ernest Rutherford. After the model proposed by J.J. Thomson, Rutherford and his co-worker tries to propose the model of an atom. But before he proposed the model of an atom, he performed alpha particle scattering experiment. Now, what is the alpha particle? You see that generally that in an atom there is though we have not discussed, but as your previous information, I should not speak, but to make you understand what is alpha particle, I am under compulsion have to speak that an atom contains electron, proton and neutron. Is it? Now, in the nucleus, the central part of an atom is called a nucleus. In the nucleus there is a proton and neutron are present. Now, the nucleus which contain equal number of proton and neutron, and proton are considered to be most stable nucleus. As for example, if you talk about the carbon 6C12, here you see number of neutron number of neutron equals to 6. Number of proton is 6. So it means n by p ratio 6 by 6, that is a 1.